Welcome back everyone, Ronsay here. Today I'll be showing you how to make your spring twist for crochet hairstyles. So this is a part 2 guys. So to get the hair to this bouncy texture, I will leave the link in the description box below for you to see the part 1 because I started this whole process from scratch.
Girl, I love you. Yeah, man. Extra large, you see. You know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Oh yeah. They say me hobby not for smoke.
As you can see, I'm just pulling the hair off the straws and I'm gonna do all the hair, and when I'm done you're gonna see me use my fingers and just work my way through the hair and split it. Okay, I'm just gonna like split the hair and then it's actually ready for the twist. That
You know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo.
now this is what your hair should look like as soon as you're done like splitting, and I'm gonna take a strand of this and just bit over the thread, and this thread is tied between my rag, and I'm gonna hold it tight from one end and the other end, and I'm gonna first just wrap it slightly. That's because when I'm gonna install this hair I will be using a crochet hook to install the hair, so I need some space up there. And now I'm gonna just twist it, and really I didn't really twist this hair really tight.
You know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo.
I'm just gonna go ahead and twist all the hair.
La 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 la. They say me hobby not for drink. La 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 la. You take me as your somebody, I take it as my somebody. You never look nobody. See what they tell you do physically. Baby, love me, you love me, all the talking I've been seen there. Why, baby, love me, I love you, all the talk me not be seen there. They say me hobby not for smoke. La 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 la. They say me hobby not for drink. La 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 la. La 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 la. You know do me why yo. All the tea where they la 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 la. La 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 la. You know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo.
That's a big night for the swell. Aye, well, me not the man we go fix that you ring. You want it for the dance, man go they sing. You be stand for me, I go there for you. You ready for the worst I go get for you? Any man who want for sky, I go fetch for you. Any broken nuts, I go fix them quick. Anytime you call, I go reach there quick. But well, them be say I dey smoke on a lie. You pretty lips, I want back call it smile. The canoe no go move if I no use paddle. The Jaffa then go talk, but they all I do. I like follow Ronsay, no go hide upon your owner. Ready for the show you love, man, no go blunder. Aye, man, no go blunder.
All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. Girl, you know do me why yo. All the tea where they talk about me, you know do me why yo. They say me hobby enough for smoke. La 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 la. They say me hobby enough for drink. La 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 la. You take me as your somebody. I take it as my somebody. You know if I look nobody. See what I tell you, do fizzy one day. Baby, love me, you love me, all the talking I'll be seen there. Why, baby, love me, I love you, all the talking I'll be seen there.
You can see some curls in the end, and I'll just leave them like that because I think it gives the hair a fun look. And so yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Me hobby now for drink.